Hey guys, so this is gonna be day 4 of your science lesson. In the packet, I said it was gonna be tsunamis, but it's actually gonna be earthquakes. Really quickly, I want to go over volcanoes since you were to individually read that yesterday and there was no video to go with it. And then you had a worksheet. So I hope you were able to read everything. I posted a vocabulary link in case you needed some extra just information or something fun to listen to. So I know when you were reading this, it talked about the 4 main layers of the earth, and it broke that down into how that makes a volcano, meaning that it's the opening of the earth's crust. And then it talks about what sudden changes a volcano can do to a landform. So you found out that what was under the Earth's crust was hot liquid mantle. And what comes out of a volcano is lava and hot ash and gas. The part of the earth that is open when a volcano erupts is the crust. So that's just some good information to be reminded as we go on. So now I'm going to be reading to you about earthquakes. It's page 137 in your science textbook. So go ahead and open that up. And I'm going to start reading. Okay, it says, scientists believe that the Earth's crust is made of thick plates that float on top of the liquid mantle. These plates are always moving. Plates can move in 3 ways. They can push on, pull apart from, or grind past each other. Sometimes this movement can cause an earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of the Earth's surface. It is caused by a sudden underground movement of the Earth's crust. Earthquakes usually occur along a fault. A fault is a crack in the Earth's crust. Faults and earthquakes usually occur along plates that grind past each other. So just to recap, what is the cause of earthquakes? Plates pushing together. They're going to push together and then it's going to make the ground around them shift. And then, so it's going to make the ground shift. It's going to break apart the ground around them. If you look at the bottom picture on page 137, this shows you what the ground does when an earthquake happens. Okay, so flip your science page, or your textbook page, to 138. It says, most faults cannot be seen. An exception is the San Andreas Fault in California. Because of this fault and others, California has about 10,000 earthquakes a year. 10,000 earthquakes, that is a lot. Most earthquakes are so small people do not feel them. Some large earthquakes split roads, shake and collapse buildings, and create floods. So that little picture right under what I just read is a picture of the San Andreas Fault. I'm sure you could probably YouTube some videos of this if your parents will allow it. So down at the bottom, it says label the pictures of the 3 ways plates move. Use the word push, pull, or grind. Circle the way the earthquakes usually occur. So number 1, you see that they're coming in like this. So we know that that's going to be them pushing together. And then you see them where they're kind of moving like this, back and forth. And think about when you do this, that's like a grind. You would grind. That one would be circled. And then the one where it's pulling apart, that would be pull. So that's really all you have to do for science today. And normally on Fridays we do not have science. So just review this, and you can go back through what we've read together and what you've read on your own. And we'll start over again next week with the rest of this chapter. Monday it will be about tsunamis, and then Tuesday we'll go through the Tech Connect, and then Wednesday, depending on where we're at, if we're in the classroom or not, we might do like a online experiment. I'm not quite sure. And then Thursday we're going to go over your study guide. All right, so if you have any questions, have your parents email me or comment on this assignment. And I love you all, and thanks for watching me.